Hey everyone. Uh, all right, another discussion, right? My big problem that I'm focusing on to remind you is the lack of supportive environments for LGBTQ plus youth in schools. So, diving right into it, Bronfenbrenner's sociological theory of human development can help explain how these systems influence an individual, right? So that's the micro system, the mesosystem, exosystem, macrosystem, chronosystem. Um, those are all apparent in a student's environment, right? But the thing that I want to focus on is the microsystem because that includes the student's immediate environment. So that's like teachers, classmates, and family. And if the student is surrounded by supportive and accepting teachers, classmates, they're more likely to feel safe and then to ultimately succeed. But if they experience bullying and discrimination or lack of understanding, it can affect both their mental health and academic performance. Behaviorism, though, is a change in observable behavior. So that means that behavior is shaped by the environment plus reinforcement and consequences. So behaviorism will focus on actions and responses and how it can be different or it can be changed over time. So using behaviorism would be in the microsystem within a classroom setting. So the students are affected by teachers and peers, right, in this system. And I think something that I would want to do is design a training program for teachers that would set like clear expectations for them as teachers as well as their students. And that's like behaviors like inclusive behavior, um, inclusive language, and then responding immediately to inappropriate behaviors. So, teachers should use positive reinforcement and demonstrate positive behaviors to demonstrate positive behaviors, but then uh, those could look like recognition, incentives, but then they would also address negative behaviors. So over time, the positive reinforcement should shape the behavior of the teacher's approach and of the students in the classroom. So I want to hear your thoughts on how I can strengthen this approach in a school setting. Um, I think that it's important that we continue to have these conversations because we're the next generation of teachers. So it's going to be real for us very soon. Thanks, you guys. Have a good one.